Have you had rising condominium prices, increased homeowner property insurance rates, or escalating insurance premiums? If so, there is a town hall meeting tonight at McKinley High School with state lawmakers who will be joined by insurance and financial experts. One of the lawmakers that is scheduled to be there is State House Speaker Scott Saiki. Aloha and good morning, Speaker Saiki. Thank you so much for stopping by.
Thanks for having me.
What are we seeing right now in the home insurance market, especially when it comes to condominiums?
Yeah, so unfortunately, over the past couple of years, more and more condo residents have seen the price of their insurance increase, both for the cost of the building replacement as well as for their individual units.
In Florida, what we saw following some hurricanes there is like climate impacts have had a big impact on what insurance is being offered there. Some insurance companies pulled out of the market entirely. Has that had an impact on the market here in Hawaii?
Yeah, so what's happening is that Hawaii is no longer immune from what is happening nationally. This is a national phenomenon where basically climate effect, the risk of natural disaster is affecting insurance rates. So it's affecting us on a financial level as well as on a physical property damage level. And so what's happening here is that insurance is increasing because we have three carriers that provide property insurance, and they are having to cover for the risk of hurricane as well as for property water damage within buildings.
Very problematic for many residents here with these skyrocketing costs. Now, when you look at what happened back during Hurricane Iniki in 1992 and 1993, the state created the Hawaii Hurricane Relief Fund to provide a potential public insurance market in case the private market did pull out. Since 2000, we haven't had to do that. But there is a bill right now in the legislature to expand that to condo owners.
Yes.
Can you explain what that is?
Yeah, so we're working on legislation to beef up the Hawaii Hurricane Relief Fund. This fund, if it's increased, will enable buildings to obtain additional coverage for their buildings. Right now, there is potentially a shortage of insurance for condo buildings, so we wanted to provide an alternative fund for these buildings.
Now, that Hawaii Hurricane Relief Fund has been floated as an idea to help fill gaps in the state's budget during COVID and then now with what's happened with the Maui wildfires. How do you feel as far as the importance of having that in case we need that situation with insurance?
Yeah, this is exactly why it was important for us not to raid the Hawaii Hurricane Fund, because you need to have that fund intact in cases of emergency or in cases of shortfalls. And this is what we're experiencing today as a result of hurricanes and water damage within buildings.
So the town hall meeting tonight at McKinley High School will be in the auditorium at 5:30. What do you want folks to know about that meeting?
Yeah, so we're going to have a panel of experts from the insurance industry, from the banking industry, as well as from associations. They're going to explain why the cost of insurance is increasing. They're going to explain how associations and unit owners can help prevent the costs from increasing. And we'll discuss the legislation that's pending before us this session.
Once again, that meeting is tonight at McKinley High School, 5:30 at the auditorium, and House Speaker Scott Saiki will be in attendance. Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thanks for having me.
Aloha.